You are putting in the work, you're grinding in the gym, you're eating clean, but you look in the mirror and the muscle you are fighting for just isn't showing up. The scale isn't moving. What if I told you the problem isn't your workout, but a few critical mistakes you're making before bed? What if the key to unlocking new growth isn't another training variable, but a specific protocol to optimize your recovery while you sleep? Your hard-earned progress is being decided every single night. The good news: a targeted supplement strategy can create the ideal environment for muscle growth while you sleep. And I'm going to show you exactly what works by doing these 3 simple protocols. By the way, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a fully licensed IFBB fitness coach and a professional nutritionist. I'm a super heavyweight bodybuilding competitor in the category over 220 pounds on stage, that is over 100 kilograms. I'm 6'4" tall, that's 193 centimeters. Welcome to my channel. Now listen, everyone knows that muscle growth happens during recovery, not in the gym. Lifting creates the stimulus, you understand, but the real repair and growth happen when you actually go to sleep. This is when your body releases growth hormone and repairs muscle tissue. But here is the problem most people face. They think good sleep is enough. No, it's not. If you want to maximize your gains, you have to actively optimize that sleep window. You understand? Poor sleep quality tanks your anabolic hormones and spikes cortisol, a stress hormone that actively breaks down muscle tissue, working directly against every rep you perform in the gym. We are not talking about generic advice. While a slow digesting protein like casein before bed is a solid foundation, the real edge comes from a specific stack of supplements that targets your nervous system and hormonal environment to force deep restorative sleep. Let's get into the protocol. And I want to know what's your favorite sleep stack. Drop it below, you might help somebody who is struggling to sleep. Now this is a simple 3-step protocol you can start tonight to seriously upgrade your body's ability to recover and grow. Step 1. Calm the nervous system with magnesium glycinate. First, you need to signal your entire nervous system that it's time to shut down. The single best tool for that is magnesium glycinate. Remember, glycinate. The other forms do not absorb so good. Forget magnesium citrate or oxide. The glycinate form is highly absorbable and bound to glycine, an amino acid that has a calming effect on the brain. Taking magnesium glycinate before bed helps regulate neurotransmitters, relaxes your muscles, and reduce the tension and stress that can keep you from falling into a deep sleep. It creates the physiological foundation for high quality restorative rest. Number 2, shut down the brain with GABA. With your body relaxed, the next step is to quiet your mind. That's where GABA or gamma aminobutyric acid comes in. GABA is your brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. Its job is to reduce neuronal excitability and put the brakes on a racing mind. You understand? Taking a GABA supplement before bed helps you transmission into sleep faster and promotes a state of calm. Some studies have shown that GABA supplementation can increase growth hormone, AGH levels, which is critical for overnight repair. For an even stronger effect, you can add L-theanine. This amino acid found in the green tea works synergistically with GABA to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality without causing drowsiness. You know, that shitty feeling that you can have in the morning if you take something else. Step 3, stay asleep with slow-release melatonin. Okay? Finally, it's not about falling asleep. It's about staying asleep to complete the deep sleep cycles where the muscle repair peaks. Standard melatonin gives you a quick spike, you understand, which can help you to doze off, but often wears off in the middle of the night. Slow release or time release melatonin is the solution, you understand. It's designed to mimic your body's natural melatonin production, releasing it gradually over 6 to 8 hours. This helps you to stay in a deep, uninterrupted sleep, ensuring your body maximizes its release of growth hormone. Who doesn't like that, right? And complete its repair cycles. For an additional support, you can also consider adaptogens like ashwagandha, which helps managing and lower cortisol levels, further shifting your body into an anabolic muscle building state. Another option is saffron, which some studies suggest can improve sleep quality and mood. And I want to tell you something from my personal experience. This is what I take, this is what I do. I'm not a doctor, you have to find your own dose, okay? What I do before bed, I take 10 milligrams of slow releasing melatonin. I take around 750 milligrams, maybe even higher, of GABA. And I take 500 to 1 gram of magnesium glycinate. This works for me. Tried everything, unfortunately. This stuff is natural, completely safe, and really kicks ass. Otherwise, I wouldn't be recommending to you, because I don't want to tell you some bullshit that doesn't work. And that's the protocol, a targeted, science and experience-backed strategy to ensure your hard work in the gym translates into real growth. If you found this breakdown useful and you're ready to take your recover seriously, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these are you going to implement first. And now the most important thing, remember, you don't grow in the gym, you grow when you recover. By using this 3-step plan, calming your system with magnesium glycinate, shutting down with GABA, and sustaining deep sleep with slow-release melatonin, you are taking direct control of your recovery. You are creating an optimized anabolic environment for your body to repair and rebuild. Stop letting suboptimal sleep be the bottleneck in your progress. Implement this tonight and watch your recovery and results transform. Train hard, but recover harder. And if you want to learn how many sets do you need to take for the optimal growth in the gym, click on this video here and I'll see you there.